Okay, this looks like a kind of quicker, easy one. Let's have a look at it. Okay, this is a multiplication. So what are we going to do? We're going to add exponents. Right. T is the base. Right. What's negative 7 plus 3 plus negative 4? I'm going to combine these two. Go negative 11 plus 3. Is that negative 8? Everybody? Negative 8? Okay. So, remember, we don't want them written as negative exponents. The question will tell you that. Let's get rid of this a bit here. Sorry about that, folks. Okay, negative 8. So you just change it to this. Remember, think of that as something like that. Flip it upside down. Put the numerator to the denominator. That is going to be your answer. Okay, there it is. Let's not find any more on here. I'm sure there's some up here with the exponents. But there's one. Okay, here's a good one, right? Okay, so now let's deal with numbers. I'm going to change that something different. I'm going to put what's 5 to the negative 2. Okay, it must be 1 over 5 to the positive 2. Okay, again, if you want to think of it like that. Right, which is, of course, 1/25. Do remember this. Even my college algebra students sometimes get these mixed up. They'll go negative 25. Okay, because they think that negative, they stick it in front and do a 5 squared. No, okay, this has to go down there. All right. Now, again, before I get to this one, I'm going to do this. How about negative 5 to the negative 2? Okay, now notice the difference in these two. That negative is inside the parenthesis. This isn't. All right. Now, if you remember this from 060, leave it. Don't touch it. This is the base with its exponent. This is the thing that's going to go down here. Okay? Right? So it was just the thing by itself. It's just a numerator. I've put it as a denominator, and I've done that again. But look, that has nothing to do with it. It stays negative. Okay? That would be the answer for that one, where the negative is not part of the part of the parenthesis. Okay, let's get rid of this. Right, so the actual question, here we go. All of this here is being raised to the negative 2. So all of that there would be raised, there we go. All of it is going to be raised to the positive 2. And there we go. Again, if you want to think of it like that, over 1. Okay, so I've turned it upside down. Okay, kind of flipped it, reciprocal, however you want to think about it. But because this negative 5 was in the parenthesis, okay, it's got all negative 5's got to go down there. All right, now what's negative 5 squared? It's positive 25. Okay, so just be aware of things like that. And that'll do for that.